Hello and welcome to this hybrid animal flow and kettlebell workout. We're going to kick things off with the lateral traveling ape in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, we're going to rest in 3, 2, 1. Okay, great job on that round. We've got a 30-second break here, so take a moment to catch your breath and recover before we dive back into the next set. And be sure to pace yourself. This is just the beginning. We've got a long way to go before we get to that finish line. Up next, we're going into doing the traveling beast. So when you're ready, get into your quadruped position and let's get after it. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Awesome work, everyone. Make sure to grab some water if you need it and listen to your body. As we progress, these exercises are going to get a little harder. If you're feeling discomfort or fatigue, it's okay. Take it easy and just keep moving. If you have to take a break, that's okay too. Just jump back in when you're ready. Coming up, we have the traveling crab. Let's get into our static crab position and let's go. In 3, 2, 1. Nicely done. Remember to focus on your breathing and maintain good form during these exercises. Quality over quantity is key here, so concentrate on each movement. You're doing great. Coming up next, we have the Ape Reach. So let's set our deep ape position and start by reaching the hands forward. Get ready in 3, 2, 1. Great work. Even though I can't see you, I'm sure you're crushing this so far. And if you're finding this workout a little bit challenging right now, don't be discouraged. Stick with it, and I promise you'll get better with time. For now, just use this rest period to recharge and prepare for the next round. We've got the Beast Reach coming up next, so let's set up our loaded beast and prepare for that. Ready in 3, 2, 1. All right, team, we're almost halfway through the workout. Hopefully you're still with us. And again, remember, if you need to take a longer break, by all means, please do so. I'd rather you finish strong than finish dead. We've got our scorpion reach next, so let's get into our loaded beast position and set up for that. All right, let's get ready in 3, 2, 1. All right, team, we're getting a lot of varied movement here so far, which is absolutely great for the body and is not only going to make you stronger, but also more mobile as well. Next, we have the side kick-through, which is one of my favorite animal flow movements to do. So let's set our static beast and let's get it. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so if you've made it this far, then you're probably wondering, what's with the kettlebells? We haven't even touched those yet. Don't worry, we'll get there. We're just warming up here. Coming up next, we have the front step. Now, this is a great move for those who sit in the chair all day and have really tight hip flexors. So, let's set up in our loaded beast, and we'll start in 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'll admit, I felt that one. I'm still feeling this one, and we shot this video a year ago. As you can see, my girl is absolutely done, but we ain't finished yet. We're only halfway through this workout, and you might be having regrets like, why did I click on this video and put myself through this? Well, maybe because you wanted to try something new, and that's exactly what we're doing here. We're going into full scorpion next, so get ready. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Okay, fantastic job. We are officially halfway through this workout. Take your time, catch your breath, pray to whatever God you believe in, get yourself some water, but most importantly, I want you to keep moving. Do not just sit around waiting for the next round to come, okay? Up next, we're going into jumping under switch. Ready in 3, 2, 1. So at this point, we've been loading our wrist quite a bit. So if you have any points of tension or achiness in the wrist joint, bring the back of the hands together, press them firmly together as you drive them down and up. This is called our wrist relief, and it will help to relieve any tension felt from that loaded extended position. Now when you're ready, we're going to set up for our jumping side kick through and begin in 3, 2, 1. All right, I hope you're still with us. I'm sure you're killing it right now. During this rest, I invite you to focus on controlled breathing and actively shake out any tension you may feel in your muscles. Keep your form tight and get ready to power through this next round. We're almost there. Get ready in 3, 2, 1. Okay, gang, the moment you've all been afraid of. It's time to grab our kettlebell for the big finisher. We're going to kick things off with a narrow stance goblet squat. You're going to bring both your feet together and hold your kettlebell at chest height and squat down as low as you can go. All right? So, gather yourself, get yourself together, and let's go in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we decided to be nice to you as well as to ourselves and take a longer rest here. So really take advantage of this. Go ahead and grab some water, catch your breath, but know that it is all kettlebells from here on out. But the good news is we're almost done. Up next, we have a kettlebell reverse lunge. Now for those who have knee issues, I'd advise doing this without a kettlebell and just doing a bodyweight lunge while using a chair for support if needed. All right, well, that's enough talking for me. We're gonna set up here for our next workout. Again, we are almost done, guys, so hang in there. We're about to go after it again in 3, 2, 1. Okay, if you're still with us, then great job. We are almost at the finish line, so do not quit on us now. Let's finish this strong, okay? Up next, we have the kettlebell swings, but for now, take advantage of this rest, okay? Get some water, do your breathing, shake off that tension, set your mind right, and let's get back into it. All right, get ready. We're back at it in 3, 2, 1. Nicely done, team. Okay, this is the last move of the day. We have ballistic rows coming up next, but be very mindful with this movement. The last thing you want is to have one of these kettlebells drop on your foot. It is not fun, trust me, I know. All right, last exercise coming up in 3, 2, 1. Congratulations on making it through this workout. If you liked this workout, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more workouts like this, leave a suggestion down below for us in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, peace, and I'm out.